Rain in the forecast doesn't stop us from getting out here. But we'll still try to get it in. We did watch the weather. We watched the radar. I think we'll drive away from it. Not sure. And you never can tell. You can't really trust the meteorologist. But hey, we'll still try to get out here and get our regular ride in for our Sunday morning breakfast trip. Here's a quick shot of the sky. It's looking gloomy. But again, we did check that radar. Do you guys go by the percentage of rain, or do you just check the radar? Let me know in the comments. We got the wet gear with us, of course. But this short ride, we probably won't even pull over to put it on. We'll just tough it out. Feel like it's gaining on us. It did start to sprinkle here, but we're on our way home anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you, fam.